Hello student, today we will discuss in the chapter of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Today we will discuss the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Dear student, in previous lectures we have discussed about the preparation, some method of preparation haloalkanes and haloarenes. In lecture of today we discuss the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes by the electrophilic substitutions method. The method is electrophilic substitutions method. Dear student, here a toluene substance are given. In toluene, methyl group directly attached with the benzene ring, and here CN2, that is chlorine gas, in presence of a Lewis acid, that is iron or ferric chloride. Dear student, in presence of ferric chloride, the Cl2 gas react with the ferric chloride and form a electrophile. Dear student, hydrogens lose their electron to the electrophile and it substituted by the electrophiles. So this is known as electrophilic substitutions. Here, replacement of hydrogens by the chlorine. The chlorine is the electrophile, so the replacement is known as the electrophilic replacement or electrophilic substitution reaction. Dear student, this is the method of preparation haloalkanes and haloarenes. In this reaction, we prepared haloarenes like here main position, that is ortho. Here main position, that is ortho, meta and para. Here we obtained ortho and para haloarenes. By the method of electrophilic substitution, we prepared ortho and para directing haloarenes. Okay, student. Dear student, this method is the best method to preparation haloarenes because the compound formed are ortho haloarenes and para haloarenes easy to separation. It is because due to large difference in their melting point. Okay, student. The compound have the large difference to their melting point, so it is easy to the separate. Therefore, this is the best method to preparations, a good method to preparations haloarenes. Dear student, fluorocompounds is not prepared by this method because fluorine is high reactive halides. Dear student, fluorine is high reactive halides. We use mild or less reactive halides to preparations of haloarenes. Here, fluorine is high reactive halides, so do not use this method for preparation fluoride. Okay, student. Dear student, now discuss Sandmeyer's reaction. Dear students, in Sandmeyer reaction, we use benzene diazonium chloride. But it is necessary to know how to benzene diazonium chloride is formed. Dear student, for the formation of benzene diazonium chloride, we study in the chapter of amines. We discuss in futures in the chapter of amines. Formation of benzene diazonium salt. But a normal clue given here. For the preparation of benzene diazonium chloride, firstly we take a primary amines, and primary amine treated with sodium nitrite and cold aqueous solution of hydrochloric acid. When we treated the primary amines with sodium nitrite and aqueous solution of cold hydrochloric acid at the temperature 0 degree Celsius to 5 degree Celsius. Then we obtain benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, student. The benzene diazonium chloride used for the formation of arene halides. Arenes, haloarenes. Dear student, this is the method of preparation haloarenes by the Sandmeyer method. This method is known as Sandmeyer method. Dear student, in Sandmeyer method we use benzene diazonium chloride. Dear student, for the formation of halides we use cuprous halide. The halide present in cuprous replace the halogen present here. Replace the halogen present here. Here chlorine, it replaced by halide present in the cuprous halide. Okay, student. Dear student, here N2 convert into the N2 gas, and finally the halides present here joined with the ring and convert into arene haloarenes. Dear student, in case of formation hydrobenzene or benzene iodide, it is not required the cuprous halide. It simply obtained benzene iodide is simply obtained by the shaking of benzene diazonium chloride with the potassium iodide. Simply you take benzene diazonium chloride in a test tube and mix in it potassium iodide and shake it, and finally you obtain benzene iodide, that is haloarenes. Dear student, it is also a good method to preparation of haloarenes. It is because here nitrogen convert into gas and finally we obtain the main product. Okay, student. So always remember the method of Sandmeyer method for the preparation of haloarenes. Okay. Now discuss the preparation of haloalkanes from alkenes. Dear student, there are two types of alkenes. If the carbon present present at the double bonded, the carbon which is double bonded carbon is symmetrical carbon, then we use addition of HX. When we addition of HX here, take HX with symmetrical alkanes, then you apply here one hydrogen breaking the pi bond and add one hydrogen at the first carbon and halogen at the second carbon of the double bonded carbon. Okay, as I like here. But in case of unsymmetrical alkenes, always follow Markovnikov rule. Dear student, in Markovnikov rule, according to Markovnikov, negative or halides or negative ions or anionic species always joined at the carbon have the minimum number of hydrogen. Dear student, here the double bonded carbon. This carbon have the one hydrogen and this carbon have the two hydrogen. According to Markovnikov, halides always joined at the carbons which have the minimum number of hydrogen. So when we apply the Markovnikov rule, we join I with this carbon and hydrogen with this carbon. We obtain here CH3 CH3. If we obtain the product according to Markovnikov, then the product is known as major product. Means yield of product is maximum. But when we join halide at the maximum hydrogen carbon, then product is minor. The product obtained by the applying Markovnikov rule is a major product. Okay, student. Now discuss here addition of halogen. In case of halogenation, addition of halogen. Dear student, here we take the solvent, that is non-polar solvent, CCl4. CCl4 is a non-polar solvent. Okay, student. The addition of bromide take place at the carbons which is double bonded carbon. Here pi bond is break, and after the breaking of pi bond, one halide joined with this carbon and one halide joined with this carbon. And finally we obtained here this compound. In this compound, two halides joined with the adjacent carbon, so it is known as vicinal dihalides. Here the halides is bromide, so it say that vicinal dibromides. Dear student, these are the some method of preparations of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In next lecture, we will discuss the other methods of preparation of haloalkane and haloarenes, and also the chemical properties of and physical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Please write down in your notebook and read your NCERT book and solve the question given in NCERT. Thank you very much.